Thank you to Keeps for sponsoring this video.
We're headed to the Barracks. We got a Jeep Cherokee, well, Grand Cherokee, that's evidently on its side and stuck. We gotta go try to get it out. We got Grandpa with us in the back.
Who else is with you?
Oh, Michelle.
Jeez. I was just laying there minding my own business in my bed, trying to have a Sunday afternoon nap, and I got rudely woke up.
It's better than a nap any day.
Sling the camera around.
Napping later. So these guys have made it to Mount Carmel. They hitched a ride or something and made it to Mount Carmel to the Chevron gas station. So we'll pick them up there and they can fill us in on what we're looking forward to. I know where the Jeep's at, but I don't know what kind of situation it's in.
Did you guys roll a Jeep?
Maybe. I didn't roll it, I tipped it over.
Oh,
that happens. Well, if you guys want to bail in, we'll go.
Okay.
See if we can get down over here.
Kind of boogie, huh? Kind of nervous.
we got a puppy today, Grandpa the dog whisperer.
Yeah, we like dogs.
So was it scary?
Yeah, a little bit more disappointing than that. Had some guys I was trying to go around, so I went around, you know, just being nice to go around them, and so I went around them, and I was just gonna pop down into the river, and so was going down in, and evidently part of the trail wasn't there. It looks like it goes down, so I just drove down it, and next thing I knew I was on my side.
So did you guys have to walk back, or did you get a ride?
No, we got a ride from the guys I was driving around.
Oh, that's good.
They were nice. They were really good people.
Turning the hubs in.
You just flopped right off in the wash.
Yeah, I was just coming down here, and I thought the trail was right here, and actually it wasn't. It's over this way about 4 feet, and I just drove off the one, and that was it. It just flopped the whole rest of it down. It slid down into it.
I'm gonna move my truck right up there.
Okay.
So the plan is I'm going to tip it up and get it up on all fours, and then hopefully his winch will pull it forward. If not, we may hook that white Jeep onto it right there and slide it out a little bit. But if we can tip it up, then we won't body damage it. I got everything but time to fix this, so I don't have to do this. Yep, I'm going to try to tip it back onto this side, and then we'll move it forward. Neutral?
It is in neutral.
Hold the brakes on that and winch in just a little. Yeah, kick it to neutral.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
for a little bit neutral.
Yep, that's fine. Sit here and we'll pull it up on here. Not too bad. Let's grab all that stuff out of the river. Probably just pull me over onto the flat where we can get the grandstand out. Okay. Sit here a minute, get some oil back down where it's not supposed to be. Battery about fell out. Get that lock back down in there. We're gonna bump it over just barely and see if it's hydroed or not. Lost battery connection. Spun over though, it's not hydroed. Wiggle those cables a little bit.
Woo!
That oil pressure. No, there's not much on the stick. It wasn't even touching the stick. I'm sure it's gonna need at least 3.
His winch came in handy
Yeah,
today.
it did. Pulled it right out once we got it back up. Goes forward and backwards. Everything looks like it should. Get all the oil burned out of it.
Woo!
Should be in good shape then. Wasn't too bad at all. Came right out. It's good, we'll follow him out. It's gonna be a little smoky for a minute. The cat's clear full of oil in it right now, so when it's getting warm and it's starting to burn all the oil out.
Don't spill your dew.
I'm not gonna. This jerky's delicious. Rachel should sponsor me jerky just for eating it on my videos.
There you
Hope
I
you're watching,
think so
Rachel.
too. Rachel.
Just to bag them up.
Spencer Custom Meats. Grandpa, I think I need another piece. Oh, they are going down the river.
She's about to quit smoking.
Yeah.
So when you're off-roading, stuff just like happened to this guy happens all the time. You lose focus. He was just trying to be nice and moving over on the trail and wasn't paying attention to that side of the truck exactly and fell off a little. The sand kind of just dropped him off in the creek and tipped him over. You never know when it's your turn. It can happen really fast and easy. It wasn't because he's a horrible driver or anything. It's just because it just happens when you're wheeling. We came and got it out and we're headed out of here.
How's it going, folks? Stay on Designated Roads and Trails. Friend of your show.
Awesome.
Really like the line truck rehab that you did.
Yeah. Yep, we got some more cool stuff coming up.
All right, well, I'll stay tuned.
All right.
All right, see you around.
Thanks
Have a
for
good one.
watching.
All right, so we were interrupted on our outro by the BLM cop. Evidently, he's a fan of our channel, which is cool.
Yep, we like him.
Yep. We got this Jeep out. It was pretty easy. We just hooked on, winched him out, and now we're headed home. It's finally stopping smoking right now, so I think he's gonna be good to drive it home.
Like I said before, this video is sponsored by Keeps. 2 out of 3 guys will experience some form of male pattern baldness by the time they're 35. The best way to fix this is to prevent it before it's all gone.
Don't be like me and wait till it's too late.
You don't have to go broke to avoid going bald.
Prevention is key, and some treatments take up to 4 to 6 months to take effect, so the faster you start, the better. Keeps has revolutionized the way men are treated for hair loss.
They make it easy and deliver your medication every 3 months.
So say goodbye to pharmacy lines and awkward doctor visits. Papa Dar started using Keeps, and he has had magnificent results.
Thanks, Keeps.
So if you want to prevent hair loss today, go to keeps.com/fabrats.
You'll get some hair.
Papa Dar.
You don't have to go broke to avoid going bald.
One more time. Now you know how I feel. 2 out of 3 Do it one more time just for good
Yeah, you
measure.
quit giggling.
You don't have to go broke to go.